Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Gemini 3.0, what it is, why Google is calling it the most intelligent model, how it is different from Gemini 2.5 Flash and 2.5 Pro, how it compares to ChatGPT, Claude and Grok, and most importantly, how you can use it for content creation, automation and business growth. Let us begin with the basics. Gemini 3.0 is Google's latest next generation AI model. It is built to understand text, images, audio and video all together. It has a larger context window. It has deeper reasoning. And it is designed for agent-like tasks that need planning, tools and actions. Think of it as a powerful assistant that can read long documents, analyze visuals, review audio and even work across multiple apps. Now let us talk about what is new in Gemini 3.0. First, improved reasoning. Gemini 3 can understand complex instructions, plan steps and give more accurate answers. This helps with research, problem solving, coding and business tasks. Second, advanced multimodality. You can upload screenshots, PDFs, photos, audio clips or videos. Gemini 3 can analyze all of them together and give a single combined answer. This is very useful for creators, agencies and educators. Third, agentic capability. Gemini 3 is better at taking actions, using tools and completing tasks from start to finish. This means it can automate workflows, manage data, generate reports and support business operations. Now let us compare Gemini 3.0 to Gemini 2.5 Flash and 2.5 Pro. Gemini 2.5 Flash was very fast but not as deep in reasoning. Good for speed and everyday tasks. Gemini 2.5 Pro was more powerful but still limited in multimodal reasoning and long context. Gemini 3.0 improves both speed and intelligence. It can handle longer content. It can process more types of media. It can reason better. And it can perform more complex tasks that older models struggled with. In simple terms, Flash was fast, Pro was strong. Gemini 3 is strong plus fast plus more intelligent. Now let us compare Gemini 3.0 with ChatGPT, Claude and Grok. ChatGPT is very strong in creativity and conversation. Claude is excellent with long documents and writing. Grok is tuned for real-time data and social content. Gemini 3's strength is multimodal power and agent workflows. Since it connects deeply with Google apps like Drive, Sheets, Gmail and Maps, it becomes a strong productivity tool for real-world tasks. It is also excellent in coding, interface generation and building small apps. Now let us look at the practical use cases. Use case 1. Content creation. Gemini 3 can write scripts, create storyboards, generate ideas, research trends, and improve your short form videos. You can upload screenshots, images or PDFs and it can redesign them or rewrite them for you. Use case 2. Business automation. With agent-like capabilities, Gemini 3 can read leads, write replies, update CRM records, generate proposals and analyze data. This saves hours of manual work every week. Use case 3. Marketing and social media. Gemini 3 can create ad copy, analyze competitors, generate captions, plan campaigns and build content calendars. It can also create multiple variations of your posts. Use case 4. Coding and tools. Gemini 3 can design and generate front-end layouts, UI screens and code structures. You can build mini apps, automations, client dashboards, and small SaaS tools. Use case 5. Education and training. Gemini 3 can take long PDFs, videos, or documents and convert them into summaries, quizzes, and lessons. Coaches, consultants, and course creators can benefit from this. Use case 6, agency services. With Gemini 3, you can offer AI lead generation, AI inbound and outbound calling, AI chatbots, AI automation, AI workflows, digital twin-based content creation, and full AI marketing support. These can be sold to USA clients for monthly retainers. Here is the final summary. Gemini 3.0 is Google's most advanced AI model so far. It has better reasoning, better multimodal understanding, better agent capabilities, and deeper integration with Google tools. It is powerful for creators, agency owners, business leaders, and anyone who wants to automate work or grow online. If you want more practical AI explanations and tutorials like this, make sure you follow and stay updated with the latest AI tools and features.